Here are the 3 legitimate ways you can be making PayPal money within the next 24 hours, guaranteed. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to be going through with is called QMe. In the show notes below this video in the description box, there are links to all 3 of these opportunities as well as QMe and the special bonus that I have for you, like I mentioned, at the end of this video that's going to make you big, big, big bucks. Now, this is a free join. All of these today are free to join, obviously. Here, this is a little bit of a twist. Now, I know you're on the screen, you're seeing it looks like a survey site. It is kind of like that, but that's not the biggest part of the program that I want you to talk about if you've never heard of QMe before. Okay, so basically you head over from the link in the description box below, you click the link and you head over here and you sign up for free. And basically they'll pay you a couple different ways, and the main way I'll talk about on this video. But if you're familiar with surveys or ways to make money online, you can complete surveys and make money with them. But the biggest way that I'm making money with them, based on my review and the research that I've done with this company and the money I'm making right now, once you've joined QMe, you just follow the step-by-step directions. You need to download the software, which don't worry about it. It's all it is a browser extension, and it's going to add, which I'll show you in a moment, but it will add to the account to your browser a little QMe search along with the other searches that you do at Google, Amazon, and eBay. Okay, now who doesn't shop at these places? Who doesn't use these things? And if you don't shop online at Amazon or eBay, who doesn't use Google as a search, right? If you don't, you're going to now. Okay, because you're going to make money along with it. So you can do this by just normal shopping, just normal searches when you go to Amazon or eBay or Google. Okay, so you use this every day. You can do it 2 different ways. Obviously, you can just do searches after searches after searches after searches, and just so that you can make money. So this gives you an idea here on the screen that when you do searches, when I was doing these searches, you can find at Amazon, if you just did search after search after search, page a little bit higher, as you can see. And up on the top left, the QMe drop down on the browser will come up and it'll show you where if you click on that link rather than one inside the Amazon account or website itself, you actually earn. Where if you do that at Amazon, you don't earn anything. And same thing with at Google, right? So all you need to do is click on what the link says to earn that reward at QMe. So for instance, on my Amazon one, it's 11 cents. And I know what you're saying. This, Sandy, doesn't sound like a lot of money. Well, think about it. If you just sat there all day and just did these searches, is that a lot of money? How long does it take you to click a link? Do a search, click a link, do a search, click a link, do a search, click a link. Imagine earning 5 cents, 7 cents, 10 cents, 12 cents. The biggest one I ever saw was 26, 27 cents, something like that. And oh yeah, you don't have to buy anything at these places. You just have to click through the link rather than doing at the normal hub website. Now, how does this work? Well, you can learn more about it at QMe, obviously. But basically, these companies that are advertising as a pay-per-click advertisement type company through QMe are paying and rewarding them to have people click and go through and shop there rather than through other stores. Okay, so and what they do is they just share that revenue with us. So if you think about it and do this, it'll add up over time. I'm telling you, it'll add up over time. Now, just in a few days of me doing this, I've earned over 15 bucks. Okay, just a few days. And I wasn't, other than maybe the first few, just to make sure it worked really good. Okay, but other than that, I just used normally, because I shop lots on Amazon, not that much on eBay, but once in a while. But most of these earnings just came from Google searches. I use Google all the time. I don't know about you, but you will start using it now, I'm sure. And if instead of using my search queries with Amazon and go directly to their links, I just click on the QMe ones. So this, after just a couple days of me doing this, didn't take long for me to add up. Guess what I'm going to do with that $16.97 that I earned? Guess what? Okay, it's much more than that now, but back when I started to construct this video and put slides together, this is what I will do with it. I will go and buy things at Amazon and eBay, okay? And I will send them out as gifts to some of my subscribers. That's coming up real soon. Oh, I let the cat out of the bag. I'm going to have rewards for subscribers, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel, okay, and go check out QME, obviously, in the description box below, because you will, every subscriber, every single week will win a prize. But more on that in another video coming up. Anyway, the other options that you can earn money with, you can take the cash if you want to, as you can see here, by PayPal, or you can help with a charity and just give that away. Okay, and in this case, I'm going to be giving my money away that I earned from Q. You can keep it. I know that because the ways I'm showing you how to make money here, and the biggest and the future ones that I'm going to show you, you'll see that making $25, $50, $100 extra a week at QME is really good, and I want to give that back to my subscribers. So make sure that you subscribe and check off the bell so that you get more important videos like this about making money online. Okay, but with your money that you're going to earn at QME, do whatever you want with it. Okay, you can also invite friends, and you will share in the reward. Every time you refer a friend, you get 50 cents. So make sure you click on my link below, because I'd like to earn that 50 cents so I can give it back to you guys. Okay, plus every time that they click, you'll also earn a small reward, a couple pennies, every time that they do as well. So if you do all the add and do all the math on that, it can add up to hundreds and hundreds of dollars a week just from QME alone. Okay, so that is the detailed description of what you need to be doing and what you need to know about QME to get started. Okay, moving on to the next one. But if you're liking this content and you like me showing you how to make money the easiest ways, the fastest ways, the cheapest ways, the free ways, all of those kind of things, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like this video too. It'll help me out a really lot to get this word out to and this information out to other people, so we can be helping other people online too, because that's what really this channel is all about at the Freelance Marketing Mama. Okay, and don't be afraid if you see something on any of these videos in the comment section below. Just let me know of other show suggestions that you'd like me to do. You know, the feedback is really super encouraged. Okay, so moving on to number 2 of the easiest ways to make PayPal money within the next 24 hours. Hope you like the first one. The second one even gets better. Okay, this company is called Respondent, and their link to join with me, which would help me out a lot, and is in the description box below if you like what I'm about to show you here on the video. So basically what you're going to do here is focus groups. Okay, real easy. You can do them 2 different ways. You can do focus groups when you are in if you'd like to do them remote from your home or from a mobile device or anything like that, or if you'd like to do it in person, you get paid more. Okay, so it's up to you. I've done it both ways, and my colleagues have done it both ways, and both are great. Obviously, if you're restricted where you can travel, or if you can travel, or if you're busy at home with little ones, like a lot of the moms watching these videos are, or you're busy at a full-time job and you don't have time to do that, you can do it remotely. You just earn a little bit less. Okay, and basically all you do is you head over to the link in the description box below for Respondent, and you start for free, and you just click on that, and it will ask you basic information to get set up, and you just join. Okay, and then you pick, once you're inside the members area, you pick the parameters that you want to post as all the products posts. You set the parameters. It will post the projects for you and give you the amounts that you'll actually get paid for. Okay, so we're talking about projects that either you do from remote, where you're getting $25, $50, $75, sometimes over $100 remotely for about 30 minutes to 60 minutes of remote focus grouping. Okay, but if you're going to do travel ones where you actually go to the company, or you go to a crowd group place where you do interviews and things like that, or these case studies, you will actually get paid $100, $200, sometimes as much as $300, just like I've earned so far during my short time with the company as well. Okay, so really cool. And then once you're done that, you get paid. How do you get paid? By PayPal. So you sign up, you set the parameters, you participate in either the remote or the in-person studies. okay, in your local area, depending on, obviously, if you're in a remote area, you may not have that many opportunities to do the in-person studies, but they pay bigger bucks, okay, and then you just get paid. That's it. So there's pretty easy ways to make money, right? So far. The first one was CUNY, just talking about just doing searches and surveys if you want to, and making, and it all adds up and you make really good money on the side, okay? And then we've now talked about number two, Respondent, where you just sign up for free, you do focus groups, and then you get paid, but you get paid bigger bucks, okay? Now, moving on to the next way that you could be making money within the next 24 hours, paid to you directly by PayPal, is a company called Bankroll Bucks, okay? Now, Bankroll Bucks is all surveys, okay? And there's different offers that you can complete into, but really the surveys are the ones that I want you to focus in on, because this is really easy and simple to do. These aren't big, long surveys like you've seen probably before or other sites that I've recommended. Bankroll Bucks pays you to do little teeny tiny surveys, okay? And they pay a lot. So in my account, for instance, there's 121 opportunities today to do. They don't pay a lot, but they're really short to do. Okay, so you'll get paid anywhere from $1 up to, as much as I've seen so far, $12 per survey, and they only take you 5, 10, 15 minutes to complete each survey. So you do all that math and add those up, even on the low end, you're making some decent money on the side from home. So if you, what you want to do with Bankroll, again, the link to join Bankroll is in the description in the show notes below, and you simply sign up with them. You confirm your email, obviously, and then you complete the surveys and you get paid. Guess how? Yep, by PayPal. How fast? Within 24 hours. Okay, so really, really easy ways to make money here. What I'm showing you on this channel, if you like it, give a thumbs up to the video. But moving on to the bonus is really cool because this company pays me a lot of money. And I want to show you just before I get to it. It's called ubatracers.com. You may have heard of me talk about it before. It's because it pays me a lot of money. So let's take a look at what my last payment was. So here's an email. This is what you get when you work with UBA Tracers and do the searches and basic data entry, processing unclaimed asset and accounts for this company, okay, through the government databases. This is an email for my last payment that I just got from UBA Tracers. As you can see, it was over $7,000, and I chose to get paid by PayPal in this case, so I got paid by PayPal. You can also get paid by direct deposit, or you can get paid by company check mailed out to you, okay? And you can also get a statement along with an email like this from UBA Tracers that breaks down all the work that you do. I strongly suggest that you keep track of it yourself as you process the accounts. Like I mentioned before, you get 10% of the accounts that you process. So in this case, for instance, that week, I processed over 70,000 dollars of other people's money, helped this company, did that research for them, and now they get that money back for those people who process it and helped this company get the people, connect the people with their lost money, put it back in their hands. Okay, so good work all around. Good feeling, good helping people, good about my bank account, and good about shopping, okay? Because I'm going to take that money and I'm going to go buy a few things for myself to reward myself for all the work I'm doing here for you guys, okay? So let's check out the rest of the video because there's lots more to come. That's why I saved this as a bonus, guys, the best for last. Well, one of the best for last, right? The three other opportunities I gave you today are great opportunities, and I suggest you sign up and do all three of those in addition to UBA Tracers. UBA Tracers, you hit the link or go to ubatracers.com and you sign up. And all it takes for you to do is put in your name and your email address to get instant access. It'll create an account for you where you become a processor for this company. Once you've done that, you'll enter the UBA Tracers members area, go through the orientation, but here's what I want you to show you what to do. It's real simple. All you do is search government databases, okay, in different states as well as in Canada. To participate in UBA Tracers, you do not need to be from Canada and the United States only. As you can see on the leaderboards at this company, there are people from everywhere. Australia, there's people from Belarus, there's people from Canada, the United States, of course, and all over the United States, Ireland. You can be in Asia, And this is a company that is worldwide, and you can participate. So step one, you find accounts to process through the government databases. You claim those accounts to make sure you're going to get paid for those and that somebody else hasn't already claimed that account. Okay, we get paid 10% of every account that you search. There's over 20 million accounts, equaling over 60 billion with a B in there. Okay, this is the unclaimed bank account industry. And if you've never heard of it before, they also have a good link, or you can Google or search unclaimed money or unclaimed assets industry, unclaimed bank accounts, those kind of things. You'll find articles and lots of videos from local and regional TV stations and news coverage. It was even featured on the Oprah Winfrey Show and the Oprah Winfrey Network and the Susan Orman Show, and people have money over $58 billion just sitting there in unclaimed accounts, and we go through those databases, find those accounts, claim those accounts, and submit those forms to this company, which is a unclaimed bank account or an unclaimed asset brokerage, who help these people get their money back that is already theirs. They just don't know where it is or how to get it. Okay, we do all the easy work, really. As you'll see when you go through the databases, there's videos to walk you through everything. You submit those forms after you've done basic, simple data entry. Okay, and then you get paid. How can you get paid? That's right, by PayPal every single Friday. Okay, for the previous week's work that you've done. Okay, you can also get direct deposit at this company, and that's why I really like it. Or you can get a snail mail company check in the mail. Okay, and when I first started out, that's the way I got it. But you know, it was nice to get a check because it's cool walking in a bank with big money like the one I showed you just recently. But I've received checks for over $15,000 in a week's work doing this at UBAtracers.com. If you subscribe and hit the bell every time I do that and upload a new video, you'll get notified. If you like this video and you enjoyed what I'm sharing with you here today, so I can continue to keep doing this, just like this video and say hi in the comments, or in the comment box below this video, let me know of future videos that you'd like me to focus on, or opportunities, reviews, anything like that that I can help you out with. I appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you get enough value from this, and just from the opportunities I showed you here today, there is no reason why joining those links through my links in the description box below that you won't be able to make at least $1,000 a week online. I know that sounds too good to be true, but I've just given you 4 amazing programs and opportunities that you can do it with. I do it every single week in, week out, and most of my subscribers are taking advantage of this as well, so why not you? Okay, so enjoy some of the other videos that are popping up on the screen right now, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.